Hello, Mr. Kevin.
Hello, Yubei. How are you?
How are you today?
I'm
Everything
fine.
good?
Yes, of course.
All right. So
Yes.
what do you have today?
Today we will have the XTS installation for the ambient lighting.
So can you show us how we install the installation?
Yes,
everything?
yes.
All right.
Today I will show you the ambient lighting installed in the XTS.
All right, fine. So let's go and see what's happening
Yes, let's
inside.
go. This is the package. It came with, you can see, came with the control boxes, light strips, cables, footwell lights,